Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. This video is being posted on Tuesday, December 14th, 2021. Today I'm coming to you from our Heating, Ventilation, and Air Conditioning Technology Lab inside Woolworth Hall. Now that our current students are either on winter break or taking online intersession courses, I want to remind them again that Johnson College's Student Food Pantry is still open weekdays from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. except during the week between Christmas and New Year's for those in need. For more details, reach out to Melissa Saxon-Price, the college's counselor and manager of disability services, whose office is in the Moffitt Student Center. In conjunction with Don's Machine Shop in West Pittston, our continuing education department is now enrolling students in the next 510-hour CNC Machining Training that begins on January 24th. Financial assistance may be available. Contact our continuing education department at continuinged@johnson.edu for more information, to register, and to find out if you qualify for financial assistance. This course is in demand, and January 24th will be here before you know it, so contact our team today. As I said earlier, I'm inside our HVAC Lab here on campus. This 2-year associate degree program provides students with the skills needed for entry-level positions in the installation, repair, and troubleshooting of various heating and cooling equipment. Students who train in this lab work with tools associated with equipment such as oil and gas furnaces, refrigeration units, and air conditioning equipment. Graduates of this program can join the workforce as HVAC installers, controls technicians, plumbers, engineers, programmers, and many other positions within the HVAC industry. This week, I want to thank all of our industry partners who hire our HVAC program graduates. Those partners include Johnson Controls, Modern Freezing Systems, Right Temp Mechanical Contractors, Miracle Commercial Real Estate Services, Wilkes-Barre General Hospital, and T.E. Spall & Son Home Services Specialists, just to name a few. Thank you. Industry is our students' campus. This video is the last official presidential update of 2021. We hope you find these updates educational, informational, and fun. Please email me at kleonard@johnson.edu to share your thoughts about the updates and what you'd like to see in our 2022 recordings. We're going to be changing things up a bit in the new year, so please continue to tune in. If a challenge or issue comes up between now and when the updates return on January 4th, we'll record special messages and place them on our website. We'll notify all of you, our Johnson College community, about their availability by posting on our social media platforms and on D2L. And now for my final note of the week and year. I can't think of a better way to end the year than with a big shout out to one of my favorite bands, Chevelle. I got to see them live for the first time this past weekend in their home area of Chicago. They played with another favorite, Rise Against, and did they ever bring the energy? I got to see favorite songs like I Get It, Face to the Floor, and Mars Simula. It was an amazing show. If you're looking for something new and hard-rocking to listen to as you end the year, check out Rise Against and Chevelle. I'm telling you, they are one of the most underrated bands around, and you will appreciate their music. That's it for this week's presidential update video from Inside HVAC Lab here on campus. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week. See you in 2022.